3 Best Value Stocks for Beginners. Apple Inc. Considered one of the top tech stocks, Apple is an excellent option for beginners due to its track record of steady growth and dividends. J.P. Morgan Chase & Co., a leading financial institution with a wide range of services. J.P. Morgan is an attractive stock for those who want to get into the banking sector without too much risk. Johnson & Johnson. This healthcare giant has been around since 1886 and continues to be a strong performer in the market, making it a good choice for beginner investors looking for reliable returns. What are value stocks, and why should beginners invest in them? Value stocks are stocks that the market has undervalued, meaning they have the potential to appreciate and yield higher returns when compared to other types of stocks. Beginners should consider investing in value stocks because they offer greater potential returns over time with a lower risk than some other investments. Growth investors seek out a growth stock and aim to reap the rewards of capital appreciation. Value stock investors must be prepared to wait for their investments to pay off, as it may take time before the market recognizes its true worth. With patience and research, value stocks can be rewarding investments with great returns. Tips for buying and selling value stocks. Don't be afraid to wait for the right moment to buy or sell your value stocks. There is no rush, and you should look for good market conditions that could lead to a profitable trade. Please research before investing, as it can help you make informed decisions about which stocks have potential upside and which might not be worth investing in. Monitor the stock performance regularly to know the best time to purchase or sell for maximum returns. Diversify your investments across various industries and sectors, so you only put some of your eggs in one basket.